This is a certified pre-owned 2012 Mercedes-Benz C300. Features include a low tire pressure indicator, a power passenger seat, cruise control, a rear spoiler, fog lamps, a stability control system, an anti-lock braking system, dual airbags, air conditioning, and this vehicle has fewer than 6,000 miles on the odometer. This certified Mercedes-Benz isn't your typical used car. It comes with a 1-year factory-backed limited warranty with no deductible, a 7-day 500-mile exchange privilege, and virtually every system was rigorously inspected by factory-certified technicians. Consider it with confidence. Not to mention that this Mercedes-Benz qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.